First of all, to turn autopilot on, you're going to go over here into the car settings, and then it pulls up this screen. You go to autopilot, and then mine's already turned on, but right here, navigate on autopilot. You can turn it on. It gives you a little notice saying that this is in beta. Maintain control of your vehicle at all times, blah, blah, blah. Don't sue us. Customize navigate on autopilot, so you can actually set how quickly it will change lanes for you and how much room it needs. You can disable speed-based lane change, so it will not speed up, slow down to try and get into other lanes. You can go mild, which is okay, it'll take it easy going in. Average is what most people do, and then Mad Max, because you guys all know I'm a crazy driver. So Mad Max is the one that it's gonna just speed up, slow down as fast as it can to try and find the smallest spot it can fit in and make it over. So that's how you turn on the autopilot feature with the new Navigate on Autopilot. I will show you in a little bit how to actually make that navigation happen by going into your navigation and setting a route. So this is Navigate on Autopilot. I do still have a hand on the wheel here, just for safety reasons. So we will see what it does. I apologize if the recording's bad because I am looking at the road, not my phone. Tried to speed up to not let us in. The car stopped going over. That was awesome. Good example right there. Because he was far enough behind us, and I did not do that at all. That was all the car. That's fabulous. Getting off the highway on its own, including turning on the turn signal. That was not me. Warning that it's ending, and there's the tones to show me that it's ending. I'm going to go ahead and take it off of autopilot now because we're getting onto 7 highway. Alright, overall, I love it. Autopilot did what it was supposed to. It was trying to get over. The asshole truck driver sped up to not let us, and it did not go ahead and get over. It stopped. I sped up to get in front of the truck driver, and it got over. So 100% worked there, saved an accident from happening. And the Navigate on Autopilot worked great, gave me warnings when I needed to change lanes, had me confirm lane changes on the highway, and then it actually got off on the exit on its own without any input from me, so that was amazing. A little triple tone to let me know it was shutting off, so that I knew that I needed to pay attention. Awesome.